2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, voice-activated navigation system, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights, compass, trip computer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.